Good morning, guys. It's actually 3 in the morning right now. Let me see your phone. Literally 3 in the morning. I'm here with Tomas. Our plane leaves at 6 in the morning. So we have about 3 hours and the airport's an hour drive. We're headed to Miami and we're gonna take you guys along with us for the ride.
BDL.
We just landed. So we just got to this cute little restaurant after we got out of the Uber. Our hotel room's not ready yet, but we got avocado sandwiches. Okay, here's a little hotel room tour. It is so pretty in here. Look at how cool. It almost looks like a sunrise over here. And then we have this super cute mirror. We just came back from the pool. This is the bathing suit that I was wearing. It's from Shein. And then over here is our view. Okay, so we just took a really long and much needed nap since we were up so early this morning. Now we're gonna go out to dinner. We found a little taco shop that we're gonna eat at. It's super cute. Let me show you guys. We got queso and chips for an appetizer. And this is our food. I just got 3 different types of tacos and Tomas got a quesadilla. Good morning, everyone. It's day 2. Right now, we're gonna go get some breakfast or lunch because it's like 12 o'clock. And then we're gonna head to the beach, the pool. We're gonna go out to dinner tonight. Maybe do some shopping later because we found like a Zara and a Brandy Melville that we want to check out and some other stores. So I'll keep you guys updated. So pretty. So I just got a sushi bowl. Here it is. It looks so good. Yum. It's salmon and tuna, which is a bunch of veggies. And we're just chilling and tanning. I literally can't open my eyes. But it's so peaceful. I think I might take a nap. Let me show you guys the ocean. This is our hotel, the outside of it. I never showed you guys. We just got these nachos and they look amazing. Okay, so we are headed to dinner. I am extremely burnt. You can't see it, but my back is like beet red. Anyways, this is my dress that I'm gonna wear tonight, and I'm gonna use some Busties boob tape so we can like situate this because it's not looking cute and a bra just would not work. So let me show you guys what I'm gonna do. So here's my handy dandy tape. I brought it with me because I literally use it like every single day. Okay, so I just ripped a piece off and I'm gonna go from here to here while like lifting up so it gives them a nice perky look. Let me do it real quick and I'll show you guys. Okay, so tape is on and as you can see, they just sit a little bit better and they're nice and secure so I can move around and not have to worry about anything. So we are at dinner right now. It's actually our hotel's restaurant. We kind of walked around for a little bit trying to find places, but nothing really was like catching our eye. So we ended up here, but it looks super good, and I actually think our food is coming. Yeah, it's coming. We're getting gelato right now. Tomas just got his, and I am waiting for mine. I'm getting the s'mores. What did you get?
Kit Kat.
He got the Kit Kat. So we just went to this pizza place and literally got the biggest slice of pizza I've ever seen in my whole life. It's from this place called Pizza Bar. Actually humongous. So it is day 3 today. We are thinking of just spending, say hi, a lot of time at the beach, and we want to do maybe a boat tour around Miami either today or tomorrow. We don't know yet. And we're gonna go get some eggs Benedict for breakfast right now, or at least I am. My eggs Benedict with tater tots. And then Tomas just got eggs, toast, bacon, and taters.
Okay, guys?
Right now we are just outside chilling by the pool. It's super warm out, the sun's out. We just got to the beach. Yeah, we're trying. Where? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty at this beach. It's like really quiet and peaceful. Let me show you guys, hold on. There's a storm coming and we literally just got here. But over here looks pretty nice. Hi guys, it's about 7 p.m. We are about to hit dinner. I just put this super cute corset top on from Princess Polly and I used my Busties boob tape And I just put it right underneath to give them a nice little lift. As you can see, they're nice and perky. We don't know exactly where we're gonna eat yet. We're thinking like a rooftop restaurant, but we're not sure if any are gonna be able to seat us because we didn't make a reservation. So we found these outlets. Well, it's not really even outlets. It's more of like just little shops. We went to Zara. We went to, where else did we go? I think we only went to Zara. But they have a lot of stuff. They have like Ray-Ban, Steve Madden, H&M. We're just kind of shopping around right now. Right now we're going to Aerie. They have so many cute shops around here. We just discovered this today and we're like in shock. Good morning, guys. It is our last day here, which is actually so sad. Right now we are going to grab some breakfast. We found this really yummy place online that we're looking forward to going to. We were gonna go on a boat ride today, but we kind of decided we just want to relax on our last day. We've been kind of boring, not really doing too much, but that's how we like to vacation. So we're gonna go to breakfast, then tonight we're doing a rooftop dinner, and that's kind of it. We're just gonna chill by the pool in the ocean, so I'll take you guys along with us. Right now we are at the beach, just sunbathing. It's so hot. I think I might go take a dip soon. We're in the pool, just relaxing. We're sitting on the stairs because we don't want to actually swim. We just are on our phones. So tonight is our last night and we're going out to dinner. I want to do a little outfit of the night. This matching set, so cute. It's from Princess Polly. And then I'm just wearing these white heels from Forever 21 to go with it. I haven't put a bra yet on because you guys know I don't do bras. So I'm going to use my Busties boob tape to help give me a lift. What I'm going to do is cut 2 strips about this size. And since it's pretty thick right here, I'm going to go from the bottom up and I'm going to pull up on each side to give a nice lift. Let's do it. We are good to go. The girls are in place and now let's head to dinner. So we just met friends at the restaurant. This is my new friend. We are eating, well, we said it was my birthday and it's really not. Yeah, everyone's saying to me. So it is our last morning. Our plane is in like 2 hours. I think it's like 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. right now. We just went to Walgreens to get some souvenirs. I got like a miniature mug. Let me show you guys. It's so cute. This is a little mug that I got. It's so cute. We're sad. We're leaving. Our Uber is about to be here.
Airplane mode. Your larger electronic device.
Hi guys, so we are home. The plane ride went really well. We had a great time in Miami. I just took a shower, got in my pajamas, and now I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the night. If you guys are interested in buying Busties, I will leave the link in the description. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day.